How to withdraw funds from BYDFi app. Are you facing issues to withdraw funds from BYDFi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To withdraw USDT or funds from a BYDFi account, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email or password. Tap on Assets at the bottom, then tap Withdraw. From the list of available assets, select the one equity to your preference. For example, select USDT. Now choose the blockchain network like TRC20 or EC20 or even BIP20 based on your receiving wallet's compatibility. Enter wallet address where you want to send your USDT and type in the amount you want to withdraw. Double check all the details to avoid mistakes. Then tap Submit and you will be asked to enter a 2FA code from Google Authenticator or a verification code sent to your email. Once verified, the withdrawal will be processed and your USDT will be on its way. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you can withdraw funds from BYDFi app. Bye bye.